Welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can build over 150 powerful links to your website very fast, probably within 30 days or maybe sooner. Um, these links will be very beneficial to your rankings because they provide trust. But not only that, these high domain and highly trusted websites will act as trust signals for the search engines, and you want to build these links before your competition. So this video, I'm going to show you a way to build 150 plus high domain authority website links. But the point being to this is to build trust within Google, and you want to build these links before your competition does because you want to secure your name online. So first, before I jump into the links and where you can find them and how you can build them, I want to show you this. What's very important is providing beneficial and contextual information to your audiences. So that is the most important thing online, is providing information to your audience, not just building links. However, we want to build trust, and we also want to show Google that we're a real brand, and we do not want our competition to go out and defame our names by using these links and these sites in our name to do negative things. So I want to show you this list. It's a great list. They're all high authority. There is a website out there. It's going to give you 200. Okay, that's 200 links that you can go and build that will build trust. All right. Now, I'm not saying by any stretch of the imagination that these links alone will boost you to the top of Google. However, you can call these pillow links, you can call these whatever type of link that you would like. However, these links will provide trust, and you want to go ahead and create these before your competition does. So this is a list of over 200 high DA do follow links. It's on a site called 99techpost.com. You could just search top 200 plus high DA do follow links. These profile links now may not be all needed to be built, okay? But it is very beneficial and very crucial to any link building campaign to build trust, and you could do this by building links. So on this website, there is over 200 do follow links. The point being is not all of them you want to build. However, you will want to build these before your competition does. Now, again, I'm going to repeat it. I'm not saying that these links will take you to the top of Google, but the ones that make sense for your brand, okay, on this list. You want to go ahead and create them. You know, there's MySpace, OpenStreetMap, all of these. Uh, Last.fm, all of these, LiveJournal, TED. You want to go out, create these links in your brand's name, okay, back to your site. It'll build trust, and you can get there before your competition does. I just wanted to share this top 200 high DA follow profile creation sites with you so you could get out there and you could start building links for your website in 2019. I hope that this has provided value. I hope that this has helped you, and we will see you in the next SEO video. We'll see you then.